How to turn off restricted mode on YouTube app. This is a very simple and easy process, so just follow along. Firstly, navigate to the YouTube app and open the app on your device. Once opened, you will land to the home page. From the bottom panel, click on your profile icon. Now at the top right corner, click on Settings. In Settings, under the section Account, click on General. Now inside General, you will see different options like these. At the bottom, you will see the option Restricted Mode. The description says this helps to hide potential mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. This settings only applies to this app on this device. If this option is turned on your device, then turn it off by simply tapping it. So just like that, you can turn off your restricted mode on YouTube app. If this option is not available, then make sure to check for updates. Go to Play Store or App Store and look for YouTube app. If there are any updates available, then update the app. Additionally, you can also clear the cache. Go to App Info of YouTube and click on Storage. At the bottom right corner, click on Clear Cache. That's all for today. Thank you.